guys, welcome to another episode of Phoenix Roasters Nitro how-to videos. I'm Emily. I wanted to walk you guys through an issue that our original kegerator model and our original Nitro infuser box customers may experience, and it's called an airlock. Basically what happens is that you're pouring Nitro out of your tap and it seems like your beverage is not being infused with nitrogen, it's pouring a flat beverage. So before you actually perform this airlock, I'm going to walk you through some of the basics. These have been addressed in another video, just common factors that you may want to address. First, this is your Nitro tank. You want to make sure that your Nitro tank, it seems kind of silly, but you want to make sure that your Nitro tank actually has nitrogen in it. So make sure that it's not reading 0. After that, you want to make sure so that it's actually open. So you're going to twist it this way to make sure that it's open. You're going to twist it this way to close it, but make sure that your Nitro is actually open. You're going to want to make sure that this valve is running parallel to the Nitro line. Perpendicular means that it's off. Parallel means that it's running. And then you want to make sure that your pressure release valve isn't stuck. So you can just do that by pulling on it. So those are a few things that you want to address before you actually address the airlock. But moving on to what we call an airlock break, basically just the action of breaking an airlock that may be running in your Nitro line. So first, you are going to want to disengage your Sankey, meaning you're going to want to make an L with your finger and your thumb, and you're going to want to push down and then pull out and then lift all the way up on your Nitro Sankey. So you don't want to actually take it off, you want to leave it on the keg, but you're going to disengage it. And then the second thing that you're going to do is you're going to look at these pressure needles, and you're going to want to turn it all the way open. And so there's another video that walks you guys through using these pressure gauge needles to make sure that you have enough Nitro flowing in your respective lines. So you guys can watch that video on how to, but for this purpose, we're literally just going to open it all the way. So you're going to twist it all the way to the left to open it. Once it's open, you are going to actually want to pull your drink. So you're going to pull it until it spews. So once it spews, that means that you've actually broken your airlock officially. And so after you do that, you're going to just turn everything back on. You're going to twist your Nitro pressure needle all the way back. Okay, and then you're going to re-engage your Sankey, pull out, push all the way down, and let go. So everything is back re-engaged. And then you can come back up here and pour your drink and adjust your Nitro flow. And that, friends, is how you address an airlock break. Thanks for watching.